Our nearest neighbors in the solar system are Mars and Venus. When Mars is in a very advantageous position, it is only 55.6 million kilometers away from us on its elliptical orbit. When we look up into the night sky, we may see it shining vividly red. As early as the 17th century, astronomers noticed odd phenomena on Mars. Because of its color shifts and Earth-like surface features, many quickly believed that life might exist there. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Space, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Musical note. Music. The outer planets that follow Mars are gas giants, while Mars itself, along with Earth, Venus, and Mercury, is a rocky planet. With an equatorial diameter of 6,800 kilometers, Mars is roughly half the size of Earth, which has a diameter of 12,800 kilometers. Although Mars and Earth share similarities, their atmospheres differ significantly. The red planet's atmosphere is extremely thin, containing very little oxygen. Because of this, Mars receives large amounts of unfiltered cosmic radiation. However, there are some striking parallels between the two planets. A Martian day lasts 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35.244 seconds, almost identical to an Earth day. Mars also experiences seasons, though each one lasts twice as long as those on Earth. This is because a Martian year is 687 Earth days, nearly double our own. As a result, Mars takes twice as long to complete its orbit around the Sun. Despite decades of missions, Mars has not been as thoroughly investigated as the Moon. So far, approximately 50 space probes have been sent to Mars by international space agencies. The first successful missions were Viking 1 and Viking 2, launched by NASA in 1976. Viking 1 remained operational until 1982, while Viking 2 transmitted data until 1980. In the 1990s, Mars Pathfinder became the first robotic lander to touch down on the Martian surface. Later, the Mars Rover Opportunity, 2004 to 2019, and Mars Rover Curiosity, 2012-present, continued research on our neighboring planet. The earliest astronomers noticed the Martian spots, which we now know are seasonal changes caused by the Sun warming the ice layers at the polar caps. With the arrival of spring on Mars, geysers of carbon dioxide and dark, coarse-grained dust erupt skyward, then settle again on the surface. This creates altered spots and fan-like structures. By the 19th century, as telescopes improved, astronomers could observe these phenomena more clearly. Many believed that the changing colors indicated vegetation zones. In 1854, astronomer William Wells suggested that Mars might have oceans, land, and life forms, reinforcing the idea that life there could be similar to life on Earth. In 1877, Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli identified the Martian troughs, or canali, Italian for channels. Schiaparelli believed these were water-formed structures, but a translation error led people to interpret canali as canals. This misunderstanding fueled the public imagination. Some were fascinated by the idea of Martians, while others grew fearful of them. In 1897, British author H.G. Wells published the legendary novel The War of the Worlds, which described a Martian invasion of Earth. The story caused widespread excitement and fear, cementing myths and beliefs about life on Mars in popular culture. About 80 years later, space probes were finally able to begin true reconnaissance of the red planet.